Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can draw on your Instagram direct messages. So I don't know if it is a super new feature, but to me it's new. So you are going to go to direct messages. I'm just going to select it here next to the heart shape. It could be somewhere else due to recent updates. There's been a lot of updates. I've had it in like my other account, so your direct messages could be placed somewhere else, but the drawing feature will still be there. You're going to then select a chat. I'm just going to tap to chat here. Then I'm just going to say like hello, something like that. And then there's like this plus. Sorry, that's just me sending a message to myself. But there is a plus button next to the sticker here, so just tap that. And as you can see, underneath, well, below the location tab, there is a draw button. You can press on. It says draw anywhere on your messages. Turn your chats into canvas by adding a personal touch with drawings. Select try it. And here you can basically select from some colors. You can also use the color picker here. I'm just going to use this pink color because it's my favorite. And you can also change the brushes up here. As you can see, that's just the eraser. So I'm just going to draw, actually I'll use yellow. I'm just going to draw some stars. You can draw these wherever you like. God, that's horrible. And then you're just going to press send, and it's going to basically like be here, like the doodle. You can add more to it if you like to. You can't erase like past drawings though. You can unsend them, so you're just going to press on it and press and send or hide all. Just going to press and send, and you can start with a new drawing if you would like to. I'm gonna do some flowers, some cute flowers here. Oops, like so. I'm like confused on what other flowers I'm gonna draw. Like a tulip. I don't remember how tulips look like. Something like that. That looks like a rose more to me. And then press send. And that's it. If it's bothering you, you can just hide all here. But yeah, I think if you type more, you are able to send more doodles, or it's just on just this one canvas. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.